In this problem, we're told that the Zwick Balloon Company signed a $4,600 note with simple interest at 9.5% for 180 days. And that happened on March 1st. So I've made a little timeline here because we're going to track what the partial payments are and what the final payment needs to be. So we start on March the 1st. And if you look up in the table, that is day 60 of the year. There are partial payments made on May 1st and July 1st. So we'll put that into our timeline. And May the 1st is day 121. And July the 1st is day 182. We know this is a 180-day note, so if I add 60 to 180, that's going to bring me to day 240 of the year, and we can also look that up in the table, and that is August 28th. So what I need to know is what is the amount of time between each of the dates. So from March the 1st to May the 1st, we have 61 days. From May the 1st to July 1st, we have also 61 days. And then from July the 1st to August 28th, that would be 58 days. And we can check and see that that adds up to 180. So now I'm going to calculate the amount of interest that accumulates between March the 1st and May the 1st. So my formula for calculating simple interest is principal times rate times time. And so we start with the initial amount borrowed, which is $4,600. And we multiply that by the interest rate, and then we multiply that by time, which is 61 days out of 360. They tell us in the problem to assume 360 days in a year. So this gives me $74.05, rounded to the nearest penny, and then my new balance is going to be the $4,600. We have to add in the $74.05, and then we'll subtract the partial payment that was made on that date, and that is $1,500. So our new balance is $3,174.05. So that takes care of March the 1st to May the 1st. Now we need to look at what happens from May the 1st to July 1st. So again, I'm going to calculate interest, but now my balance is the $31.74.05. So I'm going to take that times the interest rate, times the time, which is 61 days out of 360, and that gives me $51.09. So now we can find our new balance, and that is going to be the amount that we started with at the beginning of this period. So that is $3,174.05. We're going to add the interest that accumulated, which is $51.09, and then we'll subtract that partial payment of $2,400. And we get $825.14. So we're almost there. Now we have our final period, which goes from July the 1st to August 28th. And again, we need to calculate the interest. There's not going to be a partial payment this time. We're just going to pay off the total that we get here when we calculate interest. So we're only accumulating interest on $825.14. And we multiply that by the interest rate and then times the time. And we get $12.63. So the final balance is going to be the $825.14 plus the interest that has accumulated, which is $12.63. So this will give us $837.77 as our final answer. And that's how you do those partial payment questions.